Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking scope. Name the target user and 3 high-value use cases you will solve. Once done, pick the core features, no more than 5, that prove value quickly. Make sure to create clean demo data, test accounts, and a rollback backup so you avoid surprises. Explain why each feature matters for the user's goal. That context turns actions into outcomes. Start recording small clips now to capture flow and timing for your full demo. You now build the demo sequence by storyboarding 6 to 10 scenes that map to the user journey. Then script the narration and on-screen callouts so every click has a purpose. This ensures clarity and avoids filler. Once you have the storyboard, run rehearsals to tune pacing, aim for 30 to 60 seconds per major task, and capture multiple takes. During recording, use smooth transitions and live annotations to emphasize cause and effect. This keeps viewers. You finish by editing tightly. Remove repetition and aim for 3 to 7 minutes so viewers retain the message. Then add captions, a clear call to action, and a one-slide summary that repeats the main benefit. Once rendered, test playback on target devices and under typical network conditions to confirm performance. If something breaks, like a failing integration, pause, capture logs, switch to a pre-recorded clip or screen recording, and explain the workaround briefly so the demo keeps credibility and momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.